Hi guys, my name's Mandy. I'm an addict. I'm going to show you guys around your Joomla backend a little bit, help you update some basic website information if you're either new to Joomla or perhaps you're a new web servant. I hope that these videos will be useful for you. I'm just going to start with updating your meetings. We'll focus on that today. There are several different components to the meeting editing. So you have the group name and you have the address. And then also there are special announcements that you can put in your meeting as well. And like this one here, it has a note about the address. So those are some different fields that you can manipulate to present your meeting. Also, you can indicate if it's handicap accessible, and these codes are a legend here, and it shows you all of the different types of meetings that you can have. So I will get right into it. Go ahead and log into the admin portal of Joomla, and it's really user friendly. So you guessed it, we're going to click on Meeting Manager. And the thing about creating a meeting is that you have to have a group and a location before you can create the meeting. So we'll start and we'll create a group. Just click on the group tab there and you'll click new over here, and let's call it YouTube tutorial. And we'll create a location as well. And I believe I just pasted the Capitol building earlier just to have something. And it is important that you have the full address because the the website will populate a map, and if you don't have the full address and the zip code and all of that, unfortunately the map function will not work properly. So we'll save that, and now we have a group and a location. So we'll jump into the meetings tab and create a meeting. So we can scroll down and grab the YouTube tutorial and the Capitol building. Let's see where I had it. Right there. Alright, so you have your group, you have your location, and now you can update the day and time. So you'll select a day and select a time. Do be mindful that this is in a 24-hour format. So this is the AM spectrum, and anything from 12 to 23 would be your PM spectrum. So I just rendered this a noon meeting, and this is the special announcement field I talked about earlier. This would be where this line of text is represented, and then the address info is where this line of text is represented. So these are two useful tools when indicating anything different about the meeting. And always when you create a meeting, you will have these three check boxes already marked. Published, yes. Open meeting, yes. So if it's a closed meeting, make sure you click no. And then down here at the bottom, it will always register this as a new meeting, needs support. So if for some reason that's not accurate, maybe you made a mistake when you were editing before and you needed to recreate the meeting, you can just simply click no. Note all of those changes that we talked about on the legend. So any different types of meetings you want to have, go ahead and select those, make sure everything's done. And once you're finished, click save. At this point, you can see that Monday at noon is the YouTube tutorial meeting at the Capitol building in Olympia. And over here it does render it published. The green check mark is published, and a little circle with an X in it is unpublished. So published means that it will show up on your website. So here we go. We have the YouTube tutorial meeting in all its glory. And if you click on the map, it will pop up with a little map, and you can get directions right to it, which is really convenient for newcomers and things like that. So with that being said, we have successfully created a meeting. And now if we bounce back over here, just to edit a meeting, you would find it in the column here, and you would click on the date. That will bring you back to all of the information we edited to create it in the first place. So we'll go ahead and save that. If you need to change anything, obviously that's where you would change it. And then you would see it here. You can refresh and make sure any changes populated. So we've created and edited, and now if you need to effectively delete or remove a meeting, you would just simply click on the check mark to unpublish it. And now if you go over there, it's a circle with an X in it. And if you refresh your meeting page, you will see that it is no longer on that meeting page. So it's very simple, very easy, and the event manager is much like it. So we will get to that on the next video. Thank you.